हेलो, गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम लोग जीके का कप एंड ट्रॉफी एसोसिएटेड विद स्पोर्ट्स पढ़ेंगे। ठीक है, कप एंड ट्रॉफी एसोसिएटेड विद डिफरेंट स्पोर्ट्स, विभिन्न खेलों के साथ जुड़े कप और ट्रॉफी। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। नंबर 1, सीके नायडू। सीके नायडू कप। सीके नायडू कप इज एसोसिएटेड विद क्रिकेट। सीके नायडू कप इज एसोसिएटेड विद क्रिकेट। नंबर 2, देवधर ट्रॉफी। देवधर ट्रॉफी। देवधर ट्रॉफी is also associated with cricket. देवधर ट्रॉफी is also associated with cricket. Number 3, Dalit Trophy. Dalit Trophy. Dalit Trophy is also associated with cricket. Dalit Trophy is also associated with cricket. Next, Irani Trophy. Irani Trophy is also associated with cricket. Ranji Trophy. It is also associated with cricket. Number 6, Durand Cup. Durand Cup. Durand Cup is associated with football. Durand Cup is associated with football. PC Roy Trophy. PC Roy Trophy is also associated with football. Santosh Trophy. Santosh Trophy is associated with football. Santosh Trophy is associated with football. Okay? Next. Subrata Cup. Subrata Cup. Subrata Cup is associated with football. Rovers Cup. Rovers Cup is also associated with football. Rovers Cup किससे जुड़ा हुआ है? फुटबॉल से। ओके? नंबर 11 is associated with hockey. Aga Khan Cup is associated with hockey. Sultan Adnan Shah Cup. It is also associated with hockey. Dhyanchand Cup. Dhyanchand Trophy. Dhyanchand Trophy is associated with hockey. Dhyanchand Trophy is associated with hockey. Okay? Next. Number 14. Murugappa Cup. Murugappa Cup. It is also associated with hockey. Britain Cup. Britain Cup is associated with hockey. Badminton. Thomas Cup. Thomas Cup is associated with badminton. Thomas Cup is associated with badminton. Kuber Cup is also associated with badminton. Kuber Cup is also associated with badminton. Davis Cup. Davis Cup. Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. Wimbledon Cup. Wimbledon Trophy. Wimbledon Trophy is also associated with lawn tennis. Wimbledon Trophy is also associated with lawn tennis. Idra Cup. एसोसिएटेड विद पोलो। हिजरा कप इज एसोसिएटेड विद पोलो एंड राइडर कप is associated with gold. ओके, आज तो ये बस इतना ही। चलिए इस बार फिर से देख लेते हैं। Single Ido Cup is associated with cricket. Single Ido Cup is associated with cricket. Devdutt Trophy is associated with cricket. Duleep Trophy is associated with cricket. Irani Trophy is associated with cricket. And Ranji Trophy is associated with cricket. Okay? अब आइए फुटबॉल। डुरंड कप is associated with football. BC Roy Trophy it is associated with football. Santosh Trophy is associated with football. Subrato Cup is also associated with football. Growers Cup is associated with football. Growers Cup is associated with football. अब ये हॉकी में आगा खां कप is associated with hockey. आगा खां कप is associated with hockey. सुल्तान अजलान शाह कप it is also associated with hockey. Sultan Azlan Shah Cup is also associated with hockey. Dhyanchand Trophy, Major Dhyanchand Trophy. Dhyanchand Trophy is also associated with hockey. Okay? Next, Murugappa Cup is associated with hockey. Murugappa Cup is associated with hockey. Baton Cup is also associated with hockey. Baton Cup is also associated with hockey. Next, Thomas Cup is associated with badminton. Thomas Cup is associated with badminton. Next, Mughal Cup. It is also associated with badminton. Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. Next, Wimbledon Trophy. It is also associated with lawn tennis. Wimbledon Trophy is also associated with lawn tennis. Ijra Cup is associated with polo. Ijra Cup is associated with polo. And last one, Ryder Cup. Ryder Cup is associated with gold. Okay? HW में नोट कर लीजिए।